Remember the old days when every cappuccino could be carved with a knife? Whilst that might be great for my kids and for my nana, most of us are actually trying to achieve a perfectly silky milk. I'm Ryan from Coffee Beans Delivered, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how to make that perfectly textured milk. Firstly, we want to fill the milk up to just below that little notch there, and then purge the steam wand to get rid of any excess moisture. And hold the jug slightly tilted back away from the machine and position the steam wand in the neck of the milk jug spout to keep it stable. The milk jug handle can be around about 7 o'clock mark so that the steam wand nozzle is positioned in the right lower corner of the jug. Place the nozzle slightly below the level of the milk so that it spins in a clockwise motion. Once you're spinning, you can drop the jug ever so slightly until you hear that sound. The longer you stretch the milk, the more foam it will create. So make sure you stop stretching early, otherwise you'll end up with bubbly milk. Move the nozzle to the centre of the jug, but maintain that spinning, and this will help suck up any of the bubbles. Keep spinning it until it's about touch hot and not too hot. Wipe down your steam wand and purge the steam again, bang out any of the remaining bubbles. Now make sure you keep this milk mixed in and don't let it sit. It should have a nice satin gloss-like finish on top. So that's the quick rundown on how to get perfect milk. If you want to, you can use water to practice with, as it helps you get that circular motion and understand about the stretching techniques. But if you're still having problems, here's some troubleshooting tips that might help you. If your milk's squealing like a pig, you probably haven't stretched it enough. If your milk's too bubbly or too foamy, you're dropping the nozzle of the steam wand too far out of the milk. If you're trying to make a cappuccino but you're getting more of a flat white, you're not stretching it for long enough. If you're finding that a blob pours out into the coffee as you're pouring it, you're letting the milk sit too long, and you need to make sure that the silky texture is always there. And if you feel like you're doing everything right, but there's still a layer of aerated foam, chances are you're using warm milk, or there might be an issue with your steam wand, in which case you're going to need a steam wand hack, which I'll deliver in a future post. So hopefully this tutorial helps you get that silky milk. Milk is one of the hardest things to accomplish, and it takes patience and it takes time. So give yourself a break and hopefully you'll achieve it soon. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And remember, as always, enjoy your brew.